Okay, so kids, we're diving into quantum computing today.
Sounds complicated.
Yeah, but fascinating too. It's all about Google's new quantum chip.
A quantum chip.
Exactly. And apparently it's ridiculously fast. Makes supercomputers look like they're standing still.
Wow. Okay, I'm intrigued. What's our source material today?
Just this one audio clip. And believe me, it's packed with info.
So a classic deep dive then. We take this complex topic and break it down.
Right. We make it digestible. So anyone listening can grasp this groundbreaking stuff.
Sounds good to me. Let's dive in.
Well, the clip claims this chip can solve certain problems in just 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Problems that would take a classical computer longer than the universe has existed.
That's mind-boggling. How is that even possible?
It's all about how this chip operates. It's fundamentally different from traditional computers.
Okay, you're gonna have to explain that one.
It comes down to bits versus qubits. Traditional chips use bits, which are either a 0 or a 1.
Right, like a light switch?
Yeah.
It's either on or off.
Exactly. But this quantum chip uses qubits. They can be both 0 and 1 at the same time.
Both at the same time? How does that even work?
Think of it like a coin spinning in the air. It's both heads and tails until it lands.
Ah, I see. So it's like it's exploring all possibilities simultaneously.
Precisely. That's what gives it such incredible processing power.
Yeah.
It's not just faster, it's tackling problems in a whole new way.
So this is a revolution then, like the clip says.
Absolutely.
Mhm.
And the more qubits you have, the more powerful it becomes. But there's a catch.
There's always a catch. What is it?
Historically, adding more qubits led to more errors.
Errors.
Yeah, imagine trying to juggle too many balls at once. Things get messy.
I can see that. So how did Google solve this problem?
They came up with this special grid configuration for the qubits.
A grid configuration. What does that mean?
They arranged the qubits in a way that actually reduces errors as they add more.
That's brilliant. It's like finding the perfect balance.
Exactly. This is a huge step towards building larger, more stable, and more powerful quantum computers.
This is mind-blowing. So what does this mean for the average person? How will this impact our lives?
Well, the audio clip mentions faster AI training, for one.
Faster AI training. Give me an example of what that could mean.
Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your specific genetic makeup, or drug discovery that takes years now happening in a matter of weeks.
Wow. So we could see major medical breakthroughs much sooner.
Absolutely. It could also revolutionize material science, creating new materials with properties we haven't even dreamed of.
It sounds like this could touch almost every field.
It really could. But there's also a downside that we need to address.
How downside?
The clip mentions cybersecurity risks.
Ah, right. If these quantum computers can solve any problem, then they could crack the encryption we use to protect our data.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Passwords, bank accounts, everything we consider secure online could be vulnerable.
That's a scary thought. It's like giving someone a master key.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're talking immense potential, but also potential risks.
It reminds me of the development of nuclear technology. The promise of clean energy, but also the threat of weapons.
That's a good comparison. With great power comes great responsibility.
Exactly. We need ethical considerations and global cooperation to ensure that quantum computing benefits humanity and doesn't harm it.
Couldn't agree more. So, to summarize, Google's new quantum chip is a game changer.
It's a step towards a future where incredibly complex problems become solvable, opening up new possibilities in countless fields.
But we have to be careful. We need to ensure its responsible development and use.
We're at a crossroads. It's up to us to choose the right path.
And that's what makes this so fascinating. It's not just about the technology, but about the choices we make. It's a societal issue as much as a technological one.
A lot to think about for sure.
Absolutely. That's the beauty of these deep dives. They spark new questions and make think about the bigger picture.
So what's the one big question our listeners should ponder